email campaigns remain a crucial aspect of effective marketing strategies in today's digital landscape, where personalization and precise targeting rule the roost. With Salesmate, you get access to a host of tools that enable you to personalize content, segment your audience, and track results like never before. Unlike other marketing channels, email enables direct communication with your audience, delivering tailored messages straight to their inbox. Whether your goal is to boost sales, nurture leads, or foster brand loyalty, email campaigns offer the versatile platform necessary to achieve your marketing objectives. Let's kickstart your email campaign journey with Salesmate CRM. To create email campaigns, access Email Campaign from left menu bar and click on Create First Email Campaign. Give a suitable campaign name which will be used for your internal reference. Now, it's time to select the recipients for your email campaign. Choose from existing lists or segmented views to ensure you reach the right audience. Salesmate respects your audience's email subscription preferences, so be sure to select the appropriate subscription type for delivering emails tailored to their preferences. If you've captured email preferences outside Salesmate, remember to import them before launching the campaign. Let's either pick a campaign template or create new content to match your goals. Explore templates to find your visual style and campaign goals. Salesmate's drag-and-drop visual builder makes crafting beautiful emails easy. Add personalization using email variables, dynamically pulling CRM data. Crafting meaningful emails is key for effective communication, brand representation, engagement, conversion, and subscriber retention. Next comes the core part of the campaign, which is email content. Let's explore the possibilities. The subject of an email campaign is crucial, as it's the first thing recipients see when deciding whether to open the email or not. It serves as the initial hook to grab their attention and entice them to engage with the content inside. Preview text is the brief snippet of text that appears after the subject line in an email preview. It provides additional context about the email's content and is crucial for enhancing open rates. The sender's name and email address can have a significant impact on how the recipient perceives your message and decides whether or not to open it. By thoughtfully considering your company's branding strategy, you can confidently choose the name that best represents your message and inspires your audience to take action. Remember, every detail counts when it comes to crafting the perfect email. Salesmate streamlines A/B testing within email campaigns, enabling experimentation with various elements like subject lines, body content, and sender names. You have the flexibility to select your test audience sample and automatically send the winning email variant to the rest of your audience, optimizing engagement and driving better results. It is important to ensure that your email footer includes your business name, address, and transparent communication details to comply with legal regulations for sending emails. Salesmate can help you create or choose your email footer details quickly, enabling you to become compliant with ease. We're nearing the finish line. Let's decide whether to track email opens, link clicks, or pass UTM parameters to your analytics tool when recipients engage with our emails. Capturing these details can also fuel our automation journeys, streamlining further actions. Once your email masterpiece is crafted, choose to send immediately or schedule for later, optimizing timing for impact. Salesmate also offers throttling options to prevent overwhelming recipient servers and avoid spam detection, ensuring effective and ethical communication. Take a moment to send a test email to see exactly how it'll appear to your contacts. Don't forget to ensure a seamless experience for your recipients by testing how your email template renders on various devices. Finally, when you're confident it's just right, hit send to dispatch your email campaign instantly or schedule it for later. After your campaign goes out into the wild, Salesmate provides email campaign performance insights. These reports give you valuable metrics on how your emails performed after they were sent. It's like having a crystal ball for your email strategy.